Unlock effortless access to your hard-earned freelance income by mastering the simple process of transferring your Fiverr earnings directly to your Payoneer account. First, log into your Fiverr account and navigate to your earnings page. This is where you'll find all your completed transaction details and available funds. On your earnings page, locate and click the Withdraw Funds option. This action will initiate the withdrawal process and present you with various withdrawal methods. From the available withdrawal options, choose Payoneer. If this is your first time, you'll need to link your Payoneer account to your Fiverr profile. Simply click on Link Your Payoneer Account or Add New Payoneer Account. You'll then be redirected to Payoneer's secure login page. Enter your Payoneer login credentials and authorize the connection. Once your accounts are successfully linked, you'll see a confirmation on Fiverr. Now you can select the amount you wish to withdraw from your Fiverr balance to your linked Payoneer account. Input the desired withdrawal amount, review the details, and then click Confirm Withdrawal. Fiverr will then process your request. Your funds will typically appear in your Payoneer account within a few business days. Depending on processing times, you can then manage your freelance income efficiently through Payoneer, with options to spend, transfer, or withdraw to your local bank account. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Fiverr earnings to Payoneer, ensuring smooth and efficient access to your freelance income. For more helpful tips, be sure to subscribe to